So guess whose turn it is? We've been talking about how these different altcoins are just taking turns right now, rallying. And right now we're going to talk about a top crypto, the 11th largest crypto now after flipping some major altcoins, and why this crypto right now is running hard. And we're seeing altcoins basically take turns making gains, take turns making new yearly highs here in the last several weeks and last couple months. And in this video, we're going to talk about one in particular, one of my favorites. It's Polygon Matic. So, Matic fam, if you guys are here, drop Matic in the chat. Let me know you're here. I'm back from NYC, back in the saddle, back here making videos for you in the studio. Shout out to everybody out there here who are grinding every single day in the bear market. I love you guys. Smash that like button and let's jump in because we've got a lot to talk about when it comes to Polygon Matic, flipping major altcoins to become the 11th largest crypto. And we are seeing the rise, it says, comes on the back of a remarkable rise in its token value, fueled by increased whale activity. Underneath the dollar, a lot of the whales want to acquire Polygon ahead of this next cycle. CoinMarketCap data shows the token has added nearly 80% gain in its value in the last 30 days. We're actually slightly above that, I believe, now. Yeah, about 81.5% here as Polygon continues to rise here this morning as well. Getting close to 94 cents. We actually crossed it already here in the last 24 hours. We popped up over 98 cents actually at one point here in the last 24 hours. And when we got up to 98 cents, over $1 billion of volume was pouring in to Polygon Matic. So if we come back over here, take a look at what's going on. Of course, Polygon is the most prolific layer 2 blockchain right now out there, I would say. I'm sure there's a lot of other good ones. Arbitrum and Optimism have burst on the scenes, but Polygon has quietly been surging and recently surpassed Toncoin and Chainlink, and it deserves to be there in my opinion. And I think it deserves to be over Tron as well. Don't be surprised if it makes a play here at Tron at some point here in the next couple days and gets back into the top 10, where I think Polygon deserves to be. I mean, you look at 2022, nobody did more in terms of bridging the gap from Web 2 to Web 3, right? Now, it says the rise came on the back of increased whale activity, so we're seeing predominantly whales bring the price up here. Matic saw nearly 80% price increase in the last month, and due to its recent surge, the token is now equal to performance it last saw earlier this year in May. Keep in mind, though, with Polygon, if we take a look at the charts here, keep in mind, Polygon last year made a really big run. This is last year, or actually earlier this year in 2023, we got up to $1.50 back in February. That was crazy. Polygon ran hard, coming up from 31 cents all the way up to over $1.50. And we can see here when that happened, our trading indicator flashed. A lot of people made some really nice gains here in that short term. But here again, another great opportunity to make some short-term trades. Let me zoom out a little bit. You can see that a little bit better. Look at this. Our momentum up indicator on XT Algo flashed 56 cents. Since then, we have seen a 63% move since XT Algo flashed. Of course, XT Algo is my trading indicator I had built, spent a ton on it, but it's worth it. I've been using it, and I've got almost 300 people now using XT Algo. So if you want simple visual indicators to help your trading, make it easier and simpler on you, know when to get out, when to get in, you need that kind of knowledge. 85% of traders are using an indicator, guys. Check out the links down below. Sign up today. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like it in 30 days, a full refund. But this is the type of gain you could have had just by following the key momentum up indicator that flashed here on Polygon to start October. This was back on October the 1st, and we have been in an uptrend since. You could be enjoying a ton of these gains just by following the momentum up indicators on all these top cryptos. Again, links down below. But Polygon, as I mentioned last year, did more than any crypto project from, bridging the gap to Web 2 to Web 3. They're huge, and they're in so many different veins. They're getting into gaming now. And we're seeing right now a huge surge in anything related to gaming, especially if it's one that already has solidified itself like Polygon has as a top L2. And I think the sky's the limit here in this next bull cycle. You know, you look at Polygon, you zoom out, we're not that far away from the all-time high. That's the crazy thing with Polygon. It has performed really, really well in this bear market. We're only 67% away from its all-time high that it set back on December 26, 2021. Only 67% away. Many altcoins still down 90+%. But Polygon has been performing really well. Very similar to Chainlink in my opinion. Kind of a household name. Still goes undervalued. Still goes underlooked and is undervalued. Let me know what you guys think about Polygon Matic down below in the comment section. We'll be keeping up on all the news and information for you. Make sure you guys subscribe down below for all the information. Appreciate you guys as always, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.